open your desired browser. Go to Microsoft website to the download page for the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Now click on Download button. Now select the version that fits your Windows system. Now click on Next. It will start download automatically. After the download, open the downloaded folder. Now start the installation of the Microsoft software Visual C++ redistributable with a double click on the exe file. You still have to agree to the license agreement and then click Install. When the installation is finished, the window closes automatically and the error message should no longer appear. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.